Many businesses run on servers. These are the powerful computers that sit in a closet or in a data center. They run your company's most important applications. They might host your website. They might store your customer data. They might run the accounting software that keeps your business moving forward. In the past, the standard way to do this was simple. You bought one physical server for each major application. This seemed logical. But this old way creates big problems for small and medium businesses today. It is an expensive and inefficient approach to IT. The first major problem is cost. A physical server is a significant expense. You have to buy the hardware itself. That server needs a place to live, paying for space in an office or in a data center rack. It consumes electricity, adding to your utility bills. It also generates heat, so you need powerful air conditioning. Multiply these costs across many servers and applications, and the expense becomes a serious burden. What happens when a physical server fails? Email servers go down. Your team can't communicate. E-commerce servers go offline. Sales stop. Downtime costs real money and can damage your reputation. Fixing a broken server takes time. You might need parts or a technician. Meanwhile, your business loses productivity or revenue. A single point of failure is a huge risk. Finally, there's the problem of scaling and waste. Most single app servers use only a fraction of their power. When you need a new app, the old way forces another server purchase. Slow, costly, inefficient. It does not let your business adapt quickly. VMware vSphere tackles these problems head-on. It introduces a powerful concept called virtualization. The core idea is simple. Instead of tying one application to one physical server, vSphere allows one physical server to run many applications. It does this by creating virtual machines, or VMs. A virtual machine is a complete, self-contained computer that runs in software. It has its own virtual CPU, virtual memory, virtual storage, and virtual network card. To apps and the OS, a VM looks just like a real computer, a digital twin of a hardware server. The magic behind this is a piece of software called a hypervisor. In the vSphere world, this hypervisor is called ESXi. You install ESXi directly onto your physical server. ESXi is a very small, very efficient operating system. Its only job is to create, run, and manage virtual machines. On one server, you can run VMs for email, your database, and your website, safely isolated. Suddenly, one server is doing the work of 3. Resources are shared, pushing utilization to 60 or 70%. This is called server consolidation. A room of old servers replaced by a couple of vSphere hosts. You spend less on hardware, space, electricity, and cooling. Downtime is the enemy of any business. When a server fails, work stops. vSphere provides powerful tools to fight downtime and keep your applications running. The most important is vSphere High Availability, or HA. HA is an automated safety net that links multiple physical servers' hosts into a cluster. Hosts constantly monitor each other to ensure neighbors are healthy. If one host suddenly fails a power supply, a critical component, without HA, VMs crash. With HA, healthy hosts detect the failure and restart affected VMs automatically. The process takes just a few minutes. Users may see a brief interruption, but services come back without manual intervention. But what about planned downtime? Sometimes you must take a server offline. For hardware upgrades or security patches, the old way meant shutting down apps. vSphere has a game-changing feature called vMotion. vMotion lets you move a running VM from one physical host to another with zero downtime. The VM, its OS and application, stays online and fully functional while it moves. Users won't notice a thing. For maintenance, you simply move all VMs off the host, shut it down, do the work, power back on, then move VMs back. This eliminates planned maintenance windows and increases flexibility. Once you have a cluster of hosts, another challenge emerges: balancing the workload. Over time, some VMs get very busy, consuming CPU and memory. If too many busy VMs land on one host, it overloads and everything slows down. Meanwhile, another host may sit nearly idle. That imbalance hurts efficiency and performance. vSphere solves this with Distributed Resource Scheduler, or DRS. DRS continuously monitors CPU and memory across every host and every VM. It knows who's busy and who has capacity, aiming to keep the cluster in balance. If host A runs at 90% while host B is at 30%, DRS identifies a VM to migrate. Using vMotion, it migrates that VM seamlessly with zero downtime. Both hosts settle around 60% utilization. Applications stay smooth and consistent. You choose how DRS operates: fully automatic for set and forget balancing, or manual and partially automated where it recommends moves and you approve. You get DRS intelligence while keeping control. Every virtual machine needs a place to store its files: OS, application, and data. In a simple setup, VM files live on the server's local disks, but that has limitations. If the host fails, you could lose access to that data. To use vMotion and HA, all hosts must see the same storage. This is where shared storage comes in, a central system all hosts access over the network. vSphere works with many types, including SAN and NAS. By storing VM files on shared storage, you unlock the full power of vSphere. If a host fails, another host can immediately power VMs using the same files. vMotion is fast because only the VM's running state moves, not the large disks. Storage vMotion moves a running VM's disks between storage locations with zero downtime. Use it to place busy VMs on faster tiers or retire old arrays during business hours. Thin provisioning shows a 100 GB disk to the VM but only consumes what's actually used, say 10 GB. As the VM writes data, the disk grows on demand. You use capacity efficiently and delay new storage purchases. vSphere also streamlines day-to-day storage management. The result is simpler operations and lower risk. Compute and storage now work in harmony across your cluster. Let's see how this works in the real world. A small accounting firm had 5 separate physical servers in a closet. One ran email, another the accounting app, a file server, a customer database, and a backup domain controller. They were aging, loud, and fragile, especially risky during tax season. They adopted VMware vSphere. They bought 2 powerful hosts and a small shared storage device. An IT partner installed ESXi on both servers and connected them to shared storage. They converted the 5 old servers into 5 VMs. Now those VMs run on a 2-host vSphere cluster. They shut down the noisy boxes. The closet became quieter and cooler, and the power bill dropped. With HA enabled, when a host's power supply failed, vSphere restarted the VMs on the healthy host before anyone noticed. For maintenance, they used vMotion to move live VMs, upgraded memory, and moved VMs back. No disruption. Before a major update, they take a snapshot. If something breaks, they revert in seconds. Their infrastructure is now more resilient, flexible, and easier to manage. We have seen how VMware vSphere solves common server problems and saves money. With HA, vMotion, DRS, and advanced storage, you get uptime, performance, and efficiency. Next steps: assess your environment, what servers you have, what apps they run, and how much they actually use. Set up a small lab, install ESXi and vCenter, create test VMs, practice vMotion and HA. You don't have to do it alone. Experts can help with design, hardware, implementation, and training. Brought to you by US Computer Support.